Hello, smoker. Are your lungs blacker than charcoal? Is your breath shallower than modern dating? Then you may have smoker lungs. Our friend Black Sheep has asked for a natural method to reverse this. The solution starts from the inside, where invasive methods should never go. Don't be alarmed if you have phlegm and coughing. Your body is going to expel the toxins like a demon. Let's get started. With both hands, pat on your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will feel the tension as you tap. This is normal. 4, 5. Hands in fist position, stretch back, breathe into your nose and breathe out through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you stretch to the tension point. 2, 3, 4, 5. Palm together, push it in and breathe into your nose and breathe out through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't be shy. Shout hard as loud as you can. 2, 3, 4, 5. Push it in again and breathe in and breathe out with a long ha sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are breathing deep enough, your chest will expand as you inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Hands in this position, stretch back, breathe into your nose and breathe out through your mouth twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the fastest progress, please follow my pace. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch back, hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Drop your hands down. I have now a bucket. I want you to cough out all your phlegm and mucus. Just follow me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And really a big one. Whew. Great job.